Hayong buntag everyone. Nakawara ko nitong kalagan no. Nata naabutan ni. So yes, this is Kuya Nico again. Another day, another sharing na punta karon. Hiking mi karong adlaw. Sayo kay minang lakaw no. Stress pa sa kadlawon. Hapit na mi din sa peak. Pero so far, it's very fulfilling, satisfying nga maka-exercise but once in a while ba no. The consistent, the better. Sige naman tagpanarbaho ani. Trabaho sa mga kumpanya, trabaho sa Katolikong simbahan. Din kanina pa sa enjoying the creation of the Lord, our Lord Jesus Christ, the second person of the Holy Trinity. Right? So one of the reflection sharing ko Nico will be the creator is total pulchra, all beauty, all beautiful, right? And it reflects to his very creation, which is the nature, the world, the cosmos, and the masterpiece is the human person. Right? We are created beautifully by our Lord, perfectly destined to follow his will. Right? The human mind hungers for the absolute truth, the unconditional truth, which is God himself. So thank you everyone, and see you.